Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily filter unread messages in WhatsApp. Please friends, make sure to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. So let us get started with you and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, go to the chat section. Now you will need to swipe down from the top. And that will open up the groups that you have here. And all the chats, as you can see, there's a section called Next, Unread, and Groups. So you'll need to go to Unread to see all of your messages, chats, and groups that you haven't read the messages yet. And that way you can filter where you have all your chats and where you have unread chats, so that if you have, for example, a lot of chats and conversations in WhatsApp, you can get some of them lost and not pay attention to them. So this is a very handy feature. Friends, this is the simple way you can filter unread messages in WhatsApp. I really hope this video has helped you. Please put your likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments. See you soon.